Scrapbookers, and welcome back to Crafty Meggy. Oh my god, it's been way too long. I kind of fell off the face of the earth, and if you don't follow me on social media, you might not have known anything that's happened, but my life has kind of changed a lot. And so I have, yeah, it's a long story. Anyway, I wanted to get on and kind of show you guys what I'm going to be doing for my December documented album. And yes, I know it's not December anymore, and it is Thursday, January 5th, and I just keep thinking about doing this project because I wanted to do a December daily, but I knew it wasn't going to be daily. I didn't take photos every day in December like I normally do, just because my life has quite a bit changed. And so I'm doing things a little bit differently this year. So I thought I would jump on and share that with you. So first of all, what I'm going to be using is my December kit. And I apologize if the video moves back and forth. My station, like my scrappy space, is very portable right now, so it's not a stationary desk, so I apologize about that. But I'm using my kit from the scrapbooking store from December. So it came with another package of Christmas stickers, but they weren't really my style, so I gave them to my new kids. Like I said, it's a long story. Anyway, so this is one of the embellishments that came in the kit. It's the embellishment kit, and then these cute little rub-on stickers as well. This came in the upgrade kit, which just has embellishments. So there were 3 packs in the embellishment kit in December. So those I was thinking about using. And then also we are going to be using A Perfect Christmas collection from Echo Park. It is made by Lori Whitlock, and it's super cute, very Christmassy, very traditional greens and reds and blacks and whites, and just cutesy Christmas, and I love it. So the idea that I had was a long time ago. I made this school days album, and I have loved this album, but I never actually used it for my kids. I was actually going to, and then there's like a bunch of pockets in here and stuff, and just, it's a super cool kit, or album, I guess I should say, that I made a long time ago. And I'm pretty sure I do have a video here on YouTube that explains how to make it. Like, there's lots of just pockets. I'm not going to be going to this extent in my Christmas album. I'm just going to do the basic pages, I think. I need to actually go through my phone and see all of the photos that I took, and see how many events or like stories I want to tell. So that is what the school album looks like. And the reason I'm using this type of album is because I have started 2 other albums, and so I figured I could just use one of these for my Christmas album. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna pick the papers that I want to go like on the front. And then, so the way this is made is I have this cork. I don't really know what paper this is. It's not cork, it's something different. And this goes on here and then wraps around the back. And then this the back goes on here too. So it just goes like that, right? And then you kind of like press it and stuff. So I have to like sit down and figure out how to make the album again. So I probably should do that first, actually. I'm getting it all mixed up now, but that is probably one of the first things that I'm going to do. But I did want to get on and show you guys just a little bit of what I thought I would do for my December documented album. I also have some of these little tag papers. They look, here, I'm gonna move this out of the way. They look like this, and they can just go in the pockets. So if you'll see, like this one has one of those pockets, and I did like a little fancy design on it. So it's got like the curved pointy edge. So what you use for this album are, I think it's 6x8 white envelopes. So you just glue the envelope down, you paint the edges on both sides, and then you glue it to a bunch of these pieces to make an album. So this has been sitting in my stash for I don't even know how many years, and you can see here I have it all set and ready, like glued together and ready to go. I just have to add paper and decorations. So that's what I'm going to start doing tonight, I think. Which actually I'm kind of thinking I have to find some black paper, because I think that is what kind of you put everything on, is black paper. Maybe not. I think this is, and then this is a cute little book that goes stuck in here in this little corner here that you can put like photos on and stuff. And I love that. I think I made one of these for Jonas and Rachel's teachers when they were young, like super young. Like this was seriously when they were like in elementary school. So yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can find my video that I did before, and if I find it, I will link to it below. But I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I am going to try to start coming back to scrapbooking and to producing more photos now that I'm kind of like settled in my new home, and life is kind of, it's still crazy. It's always crazy now. I used to have a very boring life, and now my life is not boring anymore. It's kind of sad. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.